Alright guys, let's just go with this one right here. Same as the previous tie, except this one is in Burgundy. Alright. There you go. That's the actual tie itself. Again, just like the other tie, it's 59 inches in length. Alright. Jason and the Vogue brand. There you go. Okay. There you have it. Let's compare it to the other one, the cherry red. Okay. Let me just think about that. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. Subscribe if you haven't, so you guys won't miss any of that right there. Okay. And I got a couple more coming later on this next couple days. Alright, and I'll gladly get to you guys soon. Alright, take care.